Hey, how you guys doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live. So I got this pick that I was told about by a buddy. So I was hanging out with a friend of mine, and he knows some high net worth guys, and they were talking. And the word on the street, and you're hearing it here from Rich TV Live first, is that AUSA is going to explode. You heard it here first. My top stock for June 2019 is Australis Capital, AUSA. They are going to explode, and you're hearing it first here on Rich TV Live. That's the word on the street. I met with some guys, high net worth guys. I can't tell you exactly what was discussed. All I can tell you is AUSA is my top stock for June 2019. Stay tuned. If I have any other information, if I have any other news, you guys will know first. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. Do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we ever talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best because the best is blessed. Stay in your lane. Stay in the winner circle. AUSA, Australis Capital. Watch it. Stay tuned. It's the number one pick for June 2019. Remember who told you Australis Capital would explode first. At $1.09 in Canada, I say we see it go all the way to $2. That would be nice. That would be a 100% jump. Let's see. Let's see if it happens now. Maybe even higher. Stay tuned. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We out. Peace.